We have a SoC design here. As you can see, there are lots of nets here in floor plan view. Now we use new command report net line length directly. There are length report coming out in console window. We have total length, signals length, power, and ground nets length. Also, we can specify the unit to display and even to specify only signal nets to report, or power and ground nets to report. More of it, we can report the specific netline length by giving net name. For example, we report HBM1 underscore A ERRA here by command, report netline length dash NM HBM1 underscore AERRA. As you can see, there are net lines crossings in this floor plan. To get and report the crossings, we introduce new command report crossings. By using it, we can see the crossings summary here. We can specify unit here, like nanometer. We can report the crossings based on nets types, like signal to signal, signal to power, power to power. Here's a top-level SoCHBM design. Let's zoom in slightly on the lower section of the floor plan. I can see a massive number of signal and power line crossings here. Let's run the command report underscore crossings dash display. As we zoom in on the floor plan, you can see the green icon, or graphics, visualizing these crossings. Scrolling down to the lower section, you can easily identify exactly which lines are crossing by looking for these green icons. In the console log window, we can also see the total number of crossings broken down by category, such as signal to signal or signal to power. Because my HBM design is massive with C4 bumps at the bottom and the SoC in the middle, this crossing visualization feature lets me quickly pinpoint which lines need to be adjusted or unraveled. Finally, under the Display Control menu, you can uncheck the Crossings box to turn off the visualization and see the result of crossings. So I will turn the crossings on and off to clearly show the difference.